Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Joshua Shorter, your Las Vegas realtor, and today we're checking out a beautiful single-story home at Elkhorn Grove right here in the northwest part of Las Vegas. This is going to be a beautiful tour. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. Please feel free to stay tuned for the entirety of this tour. So again, welcome to Elkhorn Grove. This is a premium gated community right here in the northwest part of Las Vegas, near Elkhorn and Jones. That's just off the 215 freeway. This is a nice private gated community that offers some peace of mind, security, and just an elevated neighborhood experience. Its master plan design has some walking trails, a community pool, and just offers some really nice green spaces that are ideal for strolls and morning routines. And it's also near an equestrian zoned area, so every now and then you'll see some horses out and about, or people riding or walking on their horses. You have easy access to shopping and dining and some outdoor recreation as well. This floor plan is called the Bello Modern Farmhouse, and it is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with a half bathroom as well, 2,981 square feet with a 3-car garage, and it is a single-story floor plan and the only quick move-in Bello home design with a multi-gen option. It's just simply beautiful, especially if you have an older relative living with you who can't go upstairs, needs their own private area, or even if you have just an older child within the home that you need some private space, or one of the adults living in the home can make it their little private work area if you work from home. There's tons of options there. This kitchen is simply beautiful. I really love how open this space is. You have this beautiful breakfast nook area that is right here by the outside. It really combines that indoor-outdoor living experience. That biophilic design has really been incorporated into this layout, and I just love how much natural light comes in here as well. You have these beautiful countertops and finishes here with the cabinet lighting underneath, and stainless steel appliances. These are also going to be really nice. They do come with this as a standard as well. And then you have this spacious pantry for food storage. I'm going to go ahead and back out here so you can see the rest of this. Now, as we walk towards the living room here, you'll see on the right hand side the fridge and your oven there, the top one and the bottom one. Really nice stainless steel appliances. Great floor plan here. Let's take a look at this back area again and what is back here. We're going to see a little office area right here to the right, which gives you some flexibility as well. If you have someone working from home, or if you need this as like a homework area for kids, if you have kids, you have this. This is just outside of the master suite. And what I like about this master suite is you can actually see the backyard over here from the master suite. So you can wake up, look out into your backyard, maybe able to see a few mountains there as well. Now, as we progress a little bit further into this master suite, we're going to enter the master bathroom. And on the left here, you have a master closet. And on the right, you have a private area where there's a toilet there. In this bathroom, you're going to see the dual vanity separated by the bathtub. Really nice touch here. For those that using this, each person has their own space to set up things and get situated. And in this back area, you have a beautiful walk-in shower. Great finishes here, beautifully tiled. Again, let's just see how spacious this master bath is. And those 10-foot ceilings just also help to make this feel even bigger here. Nice little private area to use the restroom there. And again, here is the master closet. I'd say that's a pretty good size closet. Now, as we march back out to this particular area, again, you just see that open floor space and the layout. I love how open this is. Great for entertaining. Really unique living room here. You have these little benches here down by the window on both the right and the left side. And then you can also see the backyard here from the living room. Now, as we turn over to this right side here, we have the dining room area that is also complemented by this beautiful bar nook area. You also have a little smaller refrigerator there. Again, this floor plan is very well thought out. Now let's head to the outdoors, where we can see what's going on in the backyard. All right, so we have a beautiful backyard, nice little sitting area here. And you also have space to set up a grill, some more seating, and then you like to lay out in the sun, especially in the summertime. We get lots of sun here in Las Vegas, so having this would be very helpful. And then have a nice little walkway up here to this jacuzzi. It's really more of a jacuzzi than it is a pool, but we'll take it. Beautiful backyard. Now, just note, these backyards don't come like this. These are the models, so they typically dress these up quite a bit. So don't want to mislead you or set the wrong expectation here. But typically, these backyards, you'll have to do these upgrades yourself. They do not come with the home. Now, if you're purchasing the model home, then yes, you can get it just like this once they release the model home for sale. However, the other lots that are for sale here, you'd have to do this by yourself in the backyard. Now let's go back inside, take another look at this beautiful kitchen. Plenty of counter space there. It's always nice when you can get at least a good 3-4 stools there at the counter. Over here to the right, we have the powder room. It's for guests to use. This is the half bathroom. And also a nice little sitting area. If you want to have a little tea party, little coffee party, sit down, chill and chat with the friends, you can definitely do that here. Or you can make it an office and enclose it with the glass. That is also an option. Here they have used this front room as an office, very beautifully designed office. And this office also has its own private bathroom. This is a full bathroom, as you can see the shower there. And this one opens to the front of the home. You're also going to have a little bit of closet space. I'm going to walk around this desk here just so that you can see what this little closet looks like. There we go. And now back out into that main hall. And then we're going to cross over to the right side here. And on the left, you're going to see this nice laundry area. Not the biggest room, but it is a very nice size laundry room. Tiled floor there. And that door there is a storage closet. It's locked in this particular model, so we can't see it, but it's just for storage. And this is the other bedroom. Pretty decent size bedrooms here. And this bedroom also does have its own full bath included with it. And some closet space with the sliding doors. Beautifully tiled walk-in shower. All right, so we're heading back out to this main area. As I mentioned, this door is locked. Sorry, guys. But that wraps it up for the interior. Again, you have this beautiful entry hallway here, the 10-foot ceilings. We're gonna head back outside, and you'll notice that when you come out, you can see those mountains in the background. These are the mountains to the north, which are absolutely beautiful to look at each and every day. I love what they did here with the front yard, these beautiful pavers, very well designed. You have your garage and your pavers there as well. Beautiful farmhouse style exterior. And that wraps it up for the tour. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about the market or about this specific home, please feel free to reach out. You can reach me at my number there on the screen. I look forward to connecting. Thank you, and God bless.